Hey, we're going to start the 2024 Pottery Studio tour here in the garage, actually, because that is where the kiln is located. It has been here in the garage since I bought it, which was many years ago. The original studio was in the basement, so I had to haul all the pots I made in the basement up 2 flights of stairs, load them into this kiln, fire them, hold them back down, blaze them, hold them back up, fire them again, hold it down. So that's the kiln. Now let's head out to the studio. It is really nice having a studio so close. Only have to walk this far. So as soon as you walk in, I've got the start of kind of a little kind of gallery corner. Starting to get some pots set up. And a few more over here. Right around the corner from that, I've got my pottery wheel, kind of throwing area. So from the wheel, I put pots on this shelf here, which is also on wheels. I can move that around when I need to. And then right across from there, I've got a wheel dedicated to trimming, which makes it nice. Then back on the shelf if I need to, and I can eventually roll them into the kiln room. Just more storage. The inspiration wall. These are all pots that I've gotten from other people, usually through trades. And then here is the space that will be used for the kiln. Right now it's got a bunch of pots that I need to sort. Got some storage space up top. So this side is more of a little workshop area. Workbench, tools, got some storage. Then back out this way. I've got a table that I usually use for glazing. In the glazing area, got all the materials. If we come around here, we've got a sink. Running water really makes it convenient. Over here we've got the slab roller and a little space for some smaller wheels that I'll use for lessons. This is actually a little workbench that's on wheels and plenty of storage underneath. All kinds of tools and things. And around here we've got the wedging table, clay storage, and then we've got one more spot here. This little room, I've got a little desk over here. Kind of some office supplies, just a little place to work on the computer, put out a little podcast episode. This spot we've got a place to shoot some photos if I need some real nice images for something. And then in this corner we've got the packing and shipping station. Then on this wall we have heating system, which keeps this place from freezing. So that is the studio at the beginning of 2024. Still got a little bit of work to do on it, move the kiln in, get a few things organized here. But I feel like the past couple of months have been really good. I've got a lot of things put away, figured out, organized. So if you are interested in coming and making pots with me, be on the lookout for that. That is coming soon. If you have any questions about the studio, let me know. I would love to hear from you. And be on the lookout for the next video, which will be about some business goals and some steps I will take to reach those goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.